So now that I've taken you through the setup wizard, I'm going to show you some of the cool features of KidZone. So when you first click on the icon, it'll give you the option to go to Preferences or to start KidZone. Now if you press Preferences, you'll have to enter the previous password. So we'll go back and just hit Start KidZone, knowing the password. You hit Use by default for this action to ensure that KidZone is what is being used when you're in the application, and you hit KidZone. Now it'll load all the applications that you have in KidZone, and you can choose what to do. So the first cool feature of KidZone is the Kids Camera mode, where if you only put the camera in KidZone and you don't put the gallery, kids can take pictures and choose to either keep or delete those pictures that they do take. So we'll delete this one. And they can do whatever they need to do with the camera, but they can't access your photos. If they click on the gallery and you haven't put the gallery in KidZone, it'll bounce them back right into the camera. So we'll go back, that'll exit the camera and take you back into KidZone. Now if you go into Angry Birds, for example, which is an application that serves up advertisements on the free version, it'll take a second for it to load. And once it does load, you can hit the play button, start the AI game, and now let's say your kid is playing the game, everything's perfect, works great, and they accidentally click on this ad. Well, nothing will happen. All it'll do is load up the menu. They can hit refresh or just close the menu, and they're back in the game. They don't exit unless you had included the internet browser in KidZone. That ad is not activated. So it protects your child against any advertisements. So if that was a link to the Android market, had you not included the Android market in KidZone, it also wouldn't take them anywhere and would just open the menu. So we'll go back, we'll hit the home button or the back button. You can hit the home button, that'll take you right back into KidZone. And then your child can do some other cool stuff, like, for example, if they try to exit, they have to enter the password. If they want to go to the preferences menu, they'll have to hit the password. And they can use essentially any function that you include in KidZone, but can be restricted to doing things that you don't want them to do. So we'll hit exit and type in the password, which is 4 zeros, and we'll hit OK, and KidZone will be exited. Hit close and back into your home screen. Now, all the applications that we closed, you just have to hit the home button and they're gone.